Do you usually panic in water? Do you get tired pretty fast doing so much effort trying to just stay afloat? Here's a cool trick to try next time you are in water. Don't forget to check my Instagram at Insightful11 for more cool content, and check my bio link for some cool Amazon products and deals. Next time you are in water, try to hold your breath longer and exhale and inhale faster so that you are almost holding your breath 100% of the time. What you are actually doing by this is increasing the volume of your body by filling your lungs with air, which helps you float. Now I want to tell you in a more general way why objects float. Let's revise this technique. Watch me. As you can see, what I'm trying to do is hold my breath as long as I can and exhale and inhale fast so that I'm almost holding my breath 100% of the time. Another tip, you need to put your mouth as high as possible. So you will need to tilt your head backwards like this. Because if you kept your head straight, your mouth might be underwater. You raise your mouth at the highest point possible by tilting your head like this. And by this technique, you will be able to float in water for long periods of time without doing much effort. This technique will work for almost anyone. Now I want to tell you why objects float more generally. Two forces are affecting any object in water: its weight and the buoyancy force. The weight depends mainly on the object's mass. Buoyancy force depends on two parameters: the volume of this object submerged underwater, and the second parameter is the density of this fluid. So if you are swimming in the pool, it will be the density of fresh water. If you are swimming in seawater, it will be the density of salty water. Check the equation on the screen. If you know the density of the fluid the object is floating in, the volume of the object that will be submerged underwater, and the mass of this object, you can determine whether this object will float or sink. So we have two main forces, as we said: the buoyancy force or the flotation force, which acts upwards, trying to push the object to the surface, and the weight of the object, which is trying to pull the object downwards. Three cases: the buoyancy force or the flotation force is greater than the object's weight, the object will float. The buoyancy force is equal to the weight of the object, then the object will also float. The only case in which this object will sink is when the weight of the object is greater than the buoyancy force. If you understood this concept, stay tuned for a coming video, a very interesting coming video, in which I will teach you how to make a raft, especially that we are approaching summer. It will be a very fun project. Stay tuned. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more cool content. Have a nice day.